Yes. Okay, a very good morning, everyone, my dear students. It's time to teach about our practical classes that you know already. I have already informed you about the different types of related basic knowledge about the computer education that you have already captured. But today I'm going to share you how can we do lots of work in the.
सर सुनिराखे छैन
Oh, really? Wait. I will check.
No, sir, we are listening.
but we are listening.
Yes, sir, we are listening.
Sir,
Sir,
we are
we are
listening,
listening.
sir.
Yes,
Uh,
sir, we are listening. We are listening.
who is not listening? I think Ria Yadav is not listening, right?
No,
Ria, are you there?
no.
Sir, here is Elena, not Ria.
Elena, okay. I think Elena, you have to use your audio. There is the mute. You better to use the earphone. That's because you can listen the sound. Okay. So we are going to start our class, and of course it's time to start of our class. And I have already shared I'm going to share my screen. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Yes, I have already shared. Okay. So today we are going to start our that is the this is the portal that the desktop screen that screen I have already shared to you, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the the related screen in the related screen there is many more things that you can guess easily. Here is the different types of pictorial, different types of sign identification, right? That's because we
Yes,
can
sir.
easily identify which
Yes, sir.
program is here in this computer. This PC, network, recycle bin, Zoom, everything is installed in my computer. That's because it's all are the pictorial or icon of the computer.
Yes,
So,
sir.
without wasting of our time, I would like to request you all the students listen carefully. Okay, thank you. Okay, so as we know that everything it has a little bit idea how can we start. Let's begin. We
Yes,
have two way. One, we can how can we start any types of program? By clicking your mouse we can start, right? And choose the program here. For example,
yes,
we are
sir.
going to choose the program in the screen that you can watch over there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is the program of our related this is the program of our related chapter that we are going to start. I'm just going to check. This is the program that we can start from the
Excel.
start menu, right? another
Excel.
another thing, there is the another more ideas. How can we start? By pressing Windows R. There is the Windows R. When we
Yes,
are
sir.
press Yes, when we are press the Windows R key button, then computer will display run taskbar, right?
Yes,
Okay, in the
sir.
in the run taskbar we can write the program. For example, we are going to try about the WinWord. For example,
Anyone.
I have already tell you WinWord is the second name of the main name that you can say, because the formal name is Microsoft Word, but actually computer understood WinWord by passing the program. When we are typing the program into the run taskbar, then computer will pass the WinWord
Yes.
related related word in a program. So it's a related types of thing. Okay, so let's describe in this program that already. Without computer in this world, there is nothing there is nothing successful now these days, because of the without the system support of the computer. That's because it's a very very important part of our life. And in this program we are going to discuss about the how can we write something here and what is the step of the related place? Here is the 150 that you can see in your screen. We can increase the size of the paper from that side. It's going
Yes,
to
sir.
increase, right? And it is
Yes, sir.
going to
Yes, sir.
decrease and increase. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
actually, here's the actually we have 100% means that 100% is the actual size that we can accept it. Okay. So without wasting of our time, I'm going to describe about the related types. Sorry. Okay. So it has been screening over there in your screen also about home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view. This all are the menu that this all are the menu that you can utilize such types of related concept about the program. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So how can we start? How can we start? I'm going to write here. For
Sir,
example, I'm going to write here.
sir, sir, we are not listening.
Uh, who is not listening?
Sir, that time we are not listening, sir.
Okay, please. You are not listening.
Now listening.
Okay, okay. So, without wasting of our time, I would like to request to all my dear students, please make it silent because
જાય ના તો કઈથી જાય ના
keep silent because uh, we are disturbing here in the different types of unwanted sound that you are uh, okay, okay, I will manage.
Sir,
Okay, my dear friends, of course, wait within 1 minute because here is a little bit work that our okay, start the time also. Okay, thank you. Okay, so my dear student, of course, it's time to start, and I have already tell you home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. It's all are called the menu bar. If you have the note, if you have computer, you can check. It is also known as the. It is also known as the.
yes, sir. Yes, we are making.
हमारे 11 बजे अब है दूसरे से
यार कितनी है लगा के
Sir,
Okay, my dear friends, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so I have already tell you this type of related types of standard toolbar is here about home, insert, page, reference, mailing, review, and view. These all are the
you.
related points that we need to discuss. Okay, so let's start. Let's start now. I'm going to write something here in this program. How can we write any types of complaint letter, any types of related appointment letter, any types of business letter, any types of personal letter that you are writing to your friend? How can you write basically in very
Yes, sir.
typically and logically? How can we decorate the structure of our letter? How can you decorate a structure of our related file? Of course, by pressing tab menu, we can press tab, go that side, go that right side, right? If you press back space, it will move back side also. It will move back side. Okay. If you press
ना
the
था चल जाए से अति के क्राउड से बात सब
maybe I think many more students is crying now. That's because we better to mute all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So I think how can we start? So I have already tell you here is the this is known as the elegant text left. This is known as center. This is known as elegant text right. This is known as justify. So we have to utilize, we can utilize any of them that you are going to use. How can I'm going to utilize right, elegant right, control R by pressing control R, or you can press here or by pressing control R. If you press control L, then the cursor will move left side. If you press the control R, then it will move right side. This is the basic rule that you know already. Okay. So without wasting of our time, I'm going to write here date. Okay. Date after selection, so we better to highlight the related. Okay, date. We can write here date 3002 2077. It's a date. When we are pressing, then the cursor is here. This is known as the cursor that you know already. That cursor must send again the same stage that you know in the initial stage. It means the elegant left. Left elegant you press, or you can press the control L also. Okay. So I'm going to write here. I'm going to write here. I'm going to write here the, for example, dear father. Okay, we are going to write here, dear father, Garuda. Oh, no, no, sorry. Dear father, that you can write about that subject, you can write also. First, subject. Okay, subject about my vacation. Okay, if you press, then we can write here. Okay, dear father, press tab. I would like to share my happy and wishes with you for my progress. That's because I would like to share my happy and wishes with you for my progress. That's because I am writing a very short letter to you. Okay. Any types of matter that we can describe here about the related matter. Okay. We can increase and decrease the related font size by pressing by clicking the font size. Okay, we can decrease, we can change the different types of writing that it has been written here. Any types of font that you can choose, that you like most. It means which one is the best, that you can utilize as per your good knowledge, as per your demand. Okay. So I'm the better one. I think the better one, Times New and Romans is the better font that we can utilize. Okay, I'm going to revise one more time. After selection, we can increase then decrease the size very easily. There is nothing problem that you can watch. Okay, so without wasting of our time, I would like to request you one more time. Here is the different types of related concept that you have that we need to clear. How can we moderate, how can we change the text into different types of shapes, that we better to discuss first, then after we will start. Okay, so my every friends are going to house in the, sorry, from the school, because our Vacation. A vacation is going to start. So I kindly requested you to please come and receive me from hostel. Okay. At last, you better to write here. Thank you. Don't forget to write thank you because it's a better thing that we need to write. Okay. So I'd like to describe here is the that every starting line is very equal left side, but in the right side you better to watch that. But the right side that line has not equal. So how can we adjust the very clearly after the selection of everyone? Please look at your screen. After the selection of the related text, we can utilize here, this is known as the justify. If you press the justify, then the both back side, it means the left side and the right side will already arrange very clearly, okay. Any types of related documents we can prepare. After pressing Ctrl U, we can utilize that type of color. If you want to color the related subject matter, that's you can utilize after the selection. After selection you can utilize, this is known as the font color. You see this is known as font color. Okay, in the font color there's the different types of color that you can choose. Okay, the color I have been already choose here. Okay, so the related text I would like to change in the other related color. It means this color I like most. That's because I will choose. Okay, so we have how many color? Black, at least 3 color we have right now. So without wasting of our time, I would like to say one more time. This is the structure of the writing of your complaint letter, your personal letter, your business letter, or your documentation that you are going to prepare in future. This all are the basic things that we are going to start. Okay, so this is the moral thing that we need to face. Okay, so without wasting of our time, there is the very simple logic. The first logic is the computer only accept all those files which has been stored by the user in the memory. Otherwise it will not conform in past. That's because we better to save first. How can we save? This is the basic thing. By pressing Ctrl S, or there is the other option, click on file, click on save. It has been written here save. When we are pressing here save, then we can write the file name also. For example, I'm going to write here letter of my father. Okay, and press save. Okay, so how can we identify that file has been saved or not? How can we define? How can we identify? Yeah, of course, because the related file that we have already typed the name, it will display in the screen. It will
Yes,
display
sir.
in a screen that you can watch here, letter of my
Yeah,
father, right? Okay,
yes, sir.
that we can watch here, letter of my father. Okay, so it's all are the basic thing that we have to discuss. Okay, so it has been already saved when we close by pressing Ctrl W. Let me tell you, by pressing Ctrl W, if you press, then the paper will close and the program is still waiting for the other work. Control N for the
Yes.
new paper again.
Yes.
This is the process. If you write something here, if you write something here in the screen, in a paper, if you don't like to save the page, there is no problem. If you can press Control W, then when you press the Control W, computer will ask and confirm to the user, do you want to save the changes to the document? It means that you have been already written here. You want to store in your memory, in your computer memory or not? You must should confirm. It's the question from the computer. It's a question from the computer. This is the sign of interrogation sign that you know here. Do you want to save the changes to the document? That type of related things will computer will ask to us. So it has been started. Okay, I don't want to, for example, we are writing many more things. I don't want to store this type of document in my computer. No, don't worry. We better to use press Control W, and if you press N for no, Y for yes, that you know, N for no, Y for yes. If you press no, N, then computer will close the paper and it will not save in your memory. Okay, so how can we find the storage file which you have to store in your computer? Basically, there is very simple thing. By clicking file, there is the open. There is another option by pressing Control O. If you press Control O, then computer will display your different types of file that you have been stored in your memory. Okay, so it has been written here, letter of my father. This is the this is the storage place of computer, and our file is stored here, letter of my father. Okay,
Yes, sir.
when we open, then our document will start again, right? And of course we
Yes,
can again edit or change any types of document. Okay, I want to add a little bit more thing. Okay, receive my hostel. At last, I would like to request you to please purchase a clam top for my further computer study. Okay, you can write here by pressing yours
Yes.
son. Okay,
Yes, sir.
by
Down.
selecting, we can increase and decrease the size of the font. We can change the font also. Okay, we can change the font also. Okay, NEC ABC that you can write here.
Nepal Police School.
Okay, Nepal means we are okay, it's a name that
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, so let me tell you, my dear student, listen carefully, everyone. We have already stored the file before, right, in the computer, but now we have already changed a little bit more thing in this paper, in this documents. If you already changed, then the computer will confirm us, because if you are going to close the program, computer will ask again.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you one more time. If you want to close the program, computer will ask again one more time. Do you want to save the changes to letter of my father? It means
Yes.
computer will ask us, you have been already changed a little bit. You want to store or not? It means computer is asking to the confirmation. Just because we better to press yes, because we have to store. Yes, okay. It has been already closed. Okay, by pressing Windows R, there is the window inward. Of course, click on file, click on letter of my father. You check. At last, It has been already written here. It's a type of related things that it's a type of related things that is very very important when we are typing any types of letter. No matter it's your document, no matter it's your personal letter, no matter it's a business letter or any types of progressive report, any types of document. If you are typing, you better to utilize the structure of this type of letter for your good knowledge. Okay, so I'm going to tell you very very important thing to you. So listen carefully, my dear student, listen carefully everyone. If the document is very very important for us, and we don't want to share our personal document to other users, to other people, other citizens, then how can we protect against that type of unwanted personnel, those who are aggressive, those who are interested to know, to watch the other file? How can we protect from that side? There is a very simple logic that we are going to utilize. This is known as the password. I'm going to write here also. This is known as the password. What is called password? I'm going to tell you. Password is a type of very short and dedicated small codes of the uh, computer that will accept by the computer, and that code only identify by the user, not for the other. So how can we utilize the password? Of course, we can utilize. We can utilize by pressing file, save as. Then we can press here. Look at here in the screen. There is the tools. In the tools, there is the general option. In the general option, downside you better to utilize both, but we are going to use just downside only. I'm going to utilize my password very shortly, not sharing with you. Okay. Yes. Press OK. Again. Okay. Save. Go click on file and the close. Okay, I have already saved the password. When you are using my computer without information, without authority, you are going to start my computer. If my computer will start, if you want to click to check any program, letter of my father, what is the matter inside that you are going to uh, that you are going to check. It means when you click, the computer will ask us, letter of my father is reserved by Vishnu Narayan Chaudhary. Enter password to modify or open read only. Otherwise, it cannot process. If you are writing the wrong password, then computer will give it's a type of warning. It's a type of warning. The password is incorrect. It means you are not the proper user of this file, right? Okay. So if you press here the correct pin, correct password, then computer will open the document. Otherwise, it will not open. This is very clear thing, and it is the logic that we can save can save us our document from the other user. Okay. If you want to change the password, then again after when you have already opened then your file, then click on file, click on save as. Here is the tools, then general option, then you can replace or delete the password. For example, 1 2 3 I have already changed. Otherwise, I don't want to use the password. Delete, press OK, press save, click on file, click on close. It means we have already deleted the password. If someone press the letter of my father, then it will directly open, because there is no any types of security. Everyone can easily watch. So it's all are the basic things that we can utilize. Okay. About the Microsoft Word, this is the very very important. And in this word, I'm going to tell you there is the different types of little bit point also. We have only 5 minutes. That's because I'm going to utilize the 5 minutes. So please, everyone, my dear student, please everyone look at the screen very clearly. Okay.
Sir, we have 8 minutes, sir.
6 minutes.
6 minutes 20 seconds, Babu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. So, don't waste the time. I'm going to start right now. How can we do lots of work in the program? After the selection, this is known as the selection, right? S1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after the selection, if you press, it is known as a, you see a copy,
Yes,
copy. Copy means that duplicate. Okay, if
Yes,
you
sir,
press
duplicate.
Control C, we can utilize the Control C also. I have already pressed the Control C. Otherwise, we can press here copy, give the place, again Control V for the paste. Control V for
Yes.
the paste.
Yes.
It will increase the same thing. It means duplicate
It's a
matter, it will
duplicate.
create many more. After the selection, we can easily delete very clearly.
Yes, yes. Got
Okay,
it.
if you want to reverse one more time the deleted matter, we can press, it is known as the undo. Here is the in your screen
Yes,
that I have been already shared.
yes.
Undo. Okay, this is known as
Okay.
undo. If you press click, then the document will again reverse. So it's all are the basic thing. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
one more thing. For example, I am going to cut the deer. Okay, deer, here I want to move that related selected text one place to another place. How can we replace? After pressing right mouse also, there is the cut. We
Yes, sir.
can
Got
press
it.
here cut. We can here utilize the press cut, or
Yes,
there is
sir.
another thing. After the selection,
Yes.
Control X for the cut.
Got
If you
it.
press here click, Control V for the
Plus,
paste, right?
yes,
It
sir.
has been
Yes,
already
sir.
replaced the location, the place. One more time, Control X for the cut, and choosing the
Control V
place,
plus.
Control V. This is
V.
the
Yes, sir.
basic thing, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so it is the related thing that we can utilize. After the selection of the related text, we can utilize B for bold. We
Yes,
can,
bold.
bold means
Italic.
that bold, italic, and underline, this type of related. Okay, after the selection of this text, we can utilize, this is known as the text highlight color. If you press any types of color, then computer will selection, and then after utilize the good color. This is the combination of color. If you
Yes,
want
sir.
to, if you want to reverse again, then after selection you can utilize here the no color. After the selection you can utilize the correct color, then it will come again. So all are the basic things that we need to utilize. One more thing, my dear student, one more thing. This is the very important for the program. That's because you better to use first, then after we will start, we will do many more things in this program. After the selection, we can increase the one line and the second line distance also. How can we arrange? After the selection, we can arrange, after the selection, we can arrange many more things. After the selection, this is known as the line spacing. In the line spacing, there is the different types of line. You see, two.
Sir.
It will increase the line space between one line to another line, right? So
Yes, sir.
which one is the better for us? We better to utilize one is the better. If you want
Yes,
to
sir.
utilize the related paper, there is the line spacing option also. In the option, you can start here many more
Good
things.
morning, sir.
Morning. At least we
Sir,
can
which
start.
lesson that is?
Sorry.
Sir, which lesson is that?
So Microsoft Word is a practical classes, Babu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We can utilize here the related types of concept, and if you press, then it will increase. If you
Yes,
again,
21. Yes, sir.
if you utilize again here, so 21, we can write here 32. It is also increase. The same thing
Yes,
is inside and outside also. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
remove the remove a space after paragraph. Click. We can remove also. Remove one, the very general thing. It's all are the basic thing that we have already know. How can we identify? How can we know these types of related things? Okay. So another more thing. There is the another more thing. If you want to place here the page color, of course the page color also you can utilize. But the page color will describe in my other classes, because there is many more things that will make us the confusion. So I don't want to I don't want to share the confusion thing. After confirmation we'll start now. We'll start again. Okay. So it has been written here, this is known as the color. After the selection, if you press here, then you can utilize the color also. You can utilize the color. The text color is sorry, the this color, and another text color is the different one. So this is the basic thing that you can utilize. If you again select the same thing, if you don't want to utilize the color, there is the
Sir,
no
time
color.
is finished.
Okay, okay, I know. Okay, so it's a basic thing. Okay.